This tweet, shared more than 100 times, suggests people set their ceiling fans to spin counterclockwise for optimal cooling. But does that work? Let's verify. Our sources are the U.S. Department of Energy, Energy Star, and Home Depot. Both Energy Star and Home Depot agree. Spinning ceiling fans in a counterclockwise direction for a cooling effect in the summer works. So we can verify this as true. According to the DOE, this fan trick will allow you to raise the thermostat setting about 4 degrees Fahrenheit with no reduction in comfort. And that could save you money. Another hot tip? In the winter, make sure to revert your ceiling fan settings back to clockwise for a warming effect. With your Fast Fact, I'm Ariane Till.